The purpose of Arhatic Yoga is to produce intelligent, compassionate, good-hearted, powerful disciples who will become great divine servants to accelerate development of the soul. We all know one of the important pillars of Arhatic Yoga is book study. According to GMCKS, studying books helps you to understand your inner experiences. Master Ko says Master Choa would himself buy many books. Our website, thespiritconsciousness.com, makes available esoteric literature which has been simplified word by word for your understanding. The first book in our series is the Etheric Double. These book studies are pre-recorded and explained in an engaging audio-visual format. These courses are now available for all, and you may pay whatever you like. Visit thespiritconsciousness.com and start watching now.